There's a clinic in Honduras that the foundation provides medicine to make sure that their shelves are stocked. And twice a year, we go down to that clinic to help with their medical brigades in the Honduran countryside. Whatever healthcare that we give them on that trip is the only healthcare that they're going to receive until someone else comes along and does the same thing. And that's the reality for a very large percentage of the people in the world. These are people who are sick, who are wounded, people who need medicine. And our waste in America alone are these people's necessity. There's about $2 to $5 billion worth of medicine that is wasted in this country every year. Whatever the reason may be, all that medicine typically goes into the trash and into a landfill or incinerated or even flushed down the toilet. So our mission is to go to these people and organizations and say, hey, instead of throwing that medicine away or wasting it, you can donate it to us and we can ensure that it goes to a place and, more importantly, a person that really needs it. The foundation began in 2015. At the time, my dad just recently passed away from brain cancer, and my family was left with thousands of dollars worth of medicines that we had no idea what to do with whatsoever. So I talked about some of these issues with my co-founder, Stefano.
There's clearly some issue in the medical space right here. There's a lot of room to be able to help people. So we decided if someone's going to do something about it, we should.
That became the basis for my capstone project for the Public Leadership Scholars Program that year. The Scholars Program introduced us to the Do Good Institute, and the Do Good Institute gave us our first ever $500 grant that we used to incorporate ourselves as a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Where the Scholars Program gave the foundation its body, the Do Good Challenge gave it the jumpstart that it needed to be successful. As of October of 2022, our foundation has saved $9 million worth of medicines that have served over 600,000 people.